we are getting ready to start on our backyard oasis, and we're going to have multiple parts in this. We've already started on the back patio. We have put down an area rug, and this pad is like a 10 by 10, and we have put our area rug. We built a new table. We got the Ninja Woodfire XL Pro up here. We've got our chairs sitting beside here. We've got the puppies.
And these poles will have the lights that you can string going through them. So,
We've planted
Japanese maple.
Japanese maple. And now we've already got this done over here. This is the driving range. I actually have a golf simulator that I can hit golf balls with. And we are going to put a waterfall right here. We're going to have a little creek going down through to the pond.
So you're walking through the waterfall right now.
And
you can kind of see because we've got these wood pieces, so it'll kind of follow this.
yeah, it'll kind of go along the side of this right here. And we're going to have a little pond down here. And then we're going to set the tables up right in here. And I think I'm going to do a little putt-putt right here on top. And it's going to go down to a fireplace. So this used to be a pool. And
we had a gigantic deck here that we took down 2 years ago.
Last year.
Was it last year?
Yeah, last year. So we got rid of the deck last year. And now...
And the patio is going to be the, what are those called? It's not a paver, is it?
Yeah, just like...
what's the dimensions
like
of that?
20 by 20 concrete pavers.
So
separated.
this won't be grass and nasty mud.
Yeah. And we're getting ready to start that. So make sure you subscribe.
We got the
like,
waterfall coming
share.
in, a liner, all kinds of good stuff.
Yeah, I got a bunch of stuff coming in this week.
And we live in limestone country, so we have access to free rock, pretty much.
And I already built one before, right here. And I didn't put a pump system on it. And it was a little too close. We got a soft maple tree right here.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to get it back this way further. And hopefully keep it a lot cleaner away.
But this will be a complete transformation when it's done.
Yeah,
I can't wait to see it.
It's going to be awesome. You know, as far as the golf thing goes, that's holding up really nice.
Yeah.
We need to spray some weed killer on it.
Yeah, she's eating the grass that's growing up through the. But that piece of that outdoor carpet, we've had that there for how long now?
I think it's
3 years.
Yeah, it's been 3 years.
Looks fantastic.
Yeah, it actually looks pretty good when it cleans up nice.
And we just got it at Lowe's, right?
Yeah, we got it at Lowe's.
Section where they cut it for you.
And it was very inexpensive.
Yeah.
It was very easy to build this. So if you guys want a nice little, your own little driving range back here, this was really easy to do. I mean, you can see we just put some, it's really pretty big. We just put some weed barrier underneath of it. I put sand down underneath of it. I didn't want it to be too smooth because I thought I was going to use this for like a putting range, but this is not good material for putting range. So if I do a putting range over there, I will get whatever we need, whatever kind of putting surface. We'll try to do it budget friendly. So all this will kind of be budget friendly, and then maybe we'll update as we go later on. That way we can keep these videos going.
Yeah, it'll be a series.
Yeah, this is going to be, you know, maybe a 10-part series, maybe 12, maybe
We'll just see.
maybe 30. So we've already started kind of working our way, you know, this way. We pretty much got this section done. There's, you know, stuff that needs to be, but this little section here is just awesome.
It's hard to find a 10 by 10 carpet, so we had to buy an extra runner here, which
Yeah, and
is a really good runner on Amazon. It's really soft.
Yeah, and I'll try to put in here, you know, how much this cost, but this has worked out great. It's really nice. I come out here barefoot, and it's just great. Nice seating. She got new cushions this year, and they was from Walmart.
Walmart, yeah, the Better Homes and Garden.
And they worked out great. And we're going to have to do some Jeep videos here too. So just stay tuned for that.
We have 2 Jeeps.
Yeah, we got 2 Jeeps.
His and hers.
And we're trying to get hers upgraded. Somebody put a lift kit in it, and yeah, this doesn't ride very well. I've already fixed a few things on it. I've got the videos in our things, so if you wanted to watch them.
We lost the tire swing was in the tree, and we had a huge storm last week or the week before.
Yeah, we've actually.
And it's been up there for probably 15 years, hanging from that tree.
Yeah, we've got
multiple soft maples.
Yeah, limbs.
They're not
still up here.
friendly.
They're actually just getting power back to a city north of us right now.
It's the county above us that's been without it for 4 days.
Yeah, so.
Indiana storms, kind of crazy.
It's that time of the year, but just stay tuned. We are going to do a bunch of work, so like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
You don't want to miss these videos. This is going to be really fun. Maybe not so much for us, but for you watching.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot of work. Yeah, we're actually going to move this bush. Get some room in here. I'm going to see if I can find some pictures when I first did this. I'm going to take those foam things off. But try to make it look a little better. But you can kind of see we got plenty of room to do the work in. We'll just try to keep you informed. Anything else you want to say?
No, let's get going.
Yeah, she's ready to get this done. She's been wanting this for a while. But we had a big, massive deck right here, and it was time to go. So
yeah, it was old. It was not safe to walk on.
Now we'll use this old table and chairs.
Yeah, we've had that for a long
Oh my gosh,
time.
have we had that for 20 years?
Close to it. It
Yeah,
just
if
needs
you
spray
guys
painted.
if you guys want to set a table and chairs, this style, I just love
They
it.
rock. So.
Yeah. Yeah, we've had these so long, and she'll usually get an umbrella to put in the center of that.
Didn't want to really do it right now since we're not done with this area.
Yeah.
And that thing over there that's kind of leaning is going to actually be where our firewood is stacked. So our son is beginning the process of cutting trees from the back.
Yeah, he just got him a job, so it's
Yeah,
kind
so
of.
he's not home as much.
So
we've lost our worker.
Yeah, we got to kind of.
We had to let that overgrow back there because of
Yeah, it's actually a sinkhole
massive sinkhole.
right back here, and we've let this overgrow, and now we're in the process of cutting it back down before they get too big. But yeah, we're going to put the wood wood on there, and there's a cover for it. It's actually, we've only had that for about
Yeah, we've just not had a chance
this
to
month.
get to it.
So we're gonna have to, I wanna make a spot over there, and that's gonna kinda act like a, you know, a fence, a wall, from the neighbors over there. So that'll be nice, kind of a double action piece, and it'll be close enough where we can just take the wood to the fire pit. Look, he's already got some wood. I don't know why he's put it in the way here, but he's kind of putting all of our sticks too.
Well, and that was from the other night when it stormed.
Yeah.
Instead of taking them down there, he just kind of piled them here, which we can burn them, it's fine. And then that electric box out there, we actually have, oh, look at that bird. He needs to go away. We have a little dog. Oh my gosh!
What, did he hit something?
He's hitting the leaves.
Oh, it's a little buzzard.
It's not a little buzzard, that's a big buzzard.
No.
But anyways, that electrical box, we actually have something to put over it, right?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna move that. I actually install fiber optic cable, and I dig all the time, so we'll just.
But it's nice to have electric there for when we have the fire pit, if we needed to put a fan out or whatever.
And I'm actually going to move it and run the pump over to it over here. So I'm gonna move it closer. And she is not happy about this. Okay, we're having another animal
What is the deal with these animals?
incident. Like, this
Why is that
does not
buzzard
happen.
even here? Is there something dead? Oh, she just went back in the back. Get
Yeah.
over here.
Oh my gosh, not again. So we had a
Get over here. Sashi.
turtle incident.
Sashi.
Sachi, here!
Here.
Get it, okay.
Crisis averted.
Yeah, we
Except the bird is still
Yeah.
here.
we do have a
Inside.
cat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't smell anything. I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah. Another flyby.
They still see it.
Yeah, they are upset tremendously. Now come here. Come on.
Go away, bird.
Shoo, bird, don't bother me. Okay.
Next time you see the area here, hopefully there'll be some progress.
Yeah, we're going to show you as we go. It's going to be step by step, part by part, piece by piece, and let's do it together. So, bye.